CSR Racing 2, and let's go. That's the version on the application. So the version number is 2.16.0. What is up, guys? Today I'm going to with another video, and in today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the money glitch in CSR, right? CSR Racing 2. So with that being said, guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do so now so you get more videos just like this. Anyways, guys, let's get straight into this video. Alrighty, guys, so the first thing that you need is a jailbreak. If you don't have a jailbreak, this will not work for you guys. So with that being said, guys, get yourself into a jailbreak state and let's get into it. So the first thing that you need is to install this thing. It's called Falza, and the only way to get that is by going to Cydia to get it. So what I'm gonna do is show you guys how to do that right now. So what you need to do is you want to go on Safari, Cydia. Anyways, guys, once you're on Cydia, what you need to do now is you want to go onto the search bar and just basically search up Falza, and it's supposed to be like the 64-bit version. But if you don't have a 64-bit version, then it will not work. If you install the normal version, it's not gonna work, guys. So with that being said, guys, what you need to do is install that, and you can install any of the 64-bit. It doesn't really matter which one you choose as long as you get that application. So with that being said, let's go out, and what you need to do now is basically go on Safari. Alright, guys, so once you're on Safari, what you need to do is you want to go on this website. It's called iOS Guides. I'm going to also leave the link down in the description. So with that being said, guys, what you need to do is you want to go on iOS Guides. Boom. Okay, I spelled it wrong, but it came out right. Alright, anyways, guys, once you have done that good jazz, what you need to do now is you want to go on the search bar. And once you're on the search bar, what you need to do is type in CSR. So let's go ahead and type in CSR. You can just type in CSR, it doesn't really matter. So let's go ahead and type in that. And guys, once you have done that good jazz, once you have searched it up, guys, what you need to do is go back out and go into the Apple Store or something like that. Yeah, go to the Apple Store and check what version it is. So let's go here and check. I haven't even checked the version number, but let me go here and check it right now. CSR Racing 2, and let's go. That's the version on the application. So the version number is 2.16.0. Let's go here and check if the glitch is also the same thing. So let's go here into the iOS Guys website, and as you can see right there, guys, it's also 2.16.0. So guys, what you need to do is basically tap on, as you can see right there, guys, as you can see, there's also infinite coins, keys, and chips. So you guys gonna be having like more than just infinite coins. Anyways, guys, what you need to do is tap on the link. And guys, once you have done that good jazz, what you need to do now is keep scrolling down until you find where it says hidden contact. So guys, right now your application, you will not be able to see this thing. What you need to do is you want to either tap on this love button, or you want to keep scrolling down until you find where it says reply to this topic. So let's go here, keep going down until we find reply to this topic. So let's go here and reply to the topic. You can say whatever you want, it doesn't really matter what you say as long as it's something nice. So guys, what you need to do is type in glitch. Love the glitch, thank you very much. And then what you need to do is just tap on submit reply, and once you have done that good jazz, it's basically what it's gonna do is it's like it's basically going to unlock the thingy magic for you. So now it's green, as you can see right there, and just tap on where it says awesome hack. So let's go here and tap on that, and once you have done that good jazz, what you need to do is keep scrolling down until you find where it says wait. But I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says like download somewhere on here. So what you need to do is keep scrolling down until you find where it says download. So let's go ahead and tap on that. I can see it in my perspective. Anyways, so just tap on download, and what it's gonna do is it's gonna tell you to either if you want to download it. So what you need to do is just tap on download, and it's going to download right on the top, and all you need to do is just basically tap on that little icon and tap on this whole thingamajig. So that's like a whole link right there. So let's go ahead and tap on that. And once you have done that good jazz, guys, what you need to do now is you want to tap on where it says you want to tap on this little share button, so little share icon, and let's go ahead and tap on that. And once you have done that good jazz, what you need to do now is you want to keep scrolling down until you keep scrolling that way until you find where it says copy to Falza. But if you can't find copy to Falza, then you might have not installed it, and it's either that or you need to do is tap on more. And once you've done that good jazz, just tap on where it says copy to Falza. So what you need to do is tap on that. and it's basically going to direct you to the files application. And guys, what you need to do now is basically tap on the glitch, so which is right there. So let's go here and tap on the glitch, and boom. And once I've done that good, guys, you stop on where it says install, and boom, let's go and install it. And once you have done all that good, what you need to do now is basically tap on actions, and once you've done that good, just tap on respring, and you should be good, guys. Alright guys, so now that you have installed that the glitch that we were talking about, basically that is it. That is just how you do it. It's going to apply that glitch into your game, so you don't really need to worry about it. And guys, I won't test it here, but guys, you can test it alone all by yourself. Anyways guys, that'll be the end of the video, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave a like, and if you didn't, please leave a dislike. Thank you again for watching this video. CSR is signing off.
In the squad, I've been making more videos than I thought. I'll be tweeting every single week, every day. Every day has been the hardest for me, but I keep going. Yeah, keep going.